welcome back to my video. We watched that tornado cell last time and it was amazing. So, we want to venture video and we do this. And once upon a time, there was three little dogs and they hide from something called the lion and they got eaten and two got to build a brick house and one got to get dead. And the story was good, but like and subscribe and bye.